Hello everyone, this is Malay with my channel Pioneer Tutorial, and this channel will be dealing with different facts of science, physics and electrical engineering. I will be here describing the facts, what is going on behind it, and I will be telling you so easily that you will be able to understand what is going on with the facts and you will be able to know science behind it. You guys will be enjoying this channel with me. I will be uploading a single video every week about some different topics which will be very much interesting to know about. They will cover relative facts of physics, the interesting facts of science as well as electrical engineering also. Please stay tuned to my channel and please subscribe it, hit the bell icon. This will motivate me to actually do more this kind of work, and I will be having more this kind of videos which will be helping you to understand different facts. Thank you.